So everybody's living.
My shit's still in the office. This is bullshit.
I just left everything too, so I have no idea. So what's going on? What did they say? What's going on?
I see no white trucks out in our parking lot. I don't know.
I should have taken another cook or something. So all these are federal employees live in the building. So we're told to leave. We don't know what's going on. So we try to. Right now. We do not know what's going on, but this is the reality. We have to get out our buildings and just go. Y'all know what's going on? A bomb? Bomb threat? What the hell? Where? You're not? Switching forward. So we were told there's a bomb threat for some reason. A bomb threat. So we don't know what that is. But for some reason we're told there's a bomb threat in our VOA building. We just left right now. And the other HHS building, so we were told there's a bomb threat, so we don't know what that is, in which building it is. We're trying to figure it out.
I can't even imagine what it's been like to be in.
Yeah, I said that to do my job. So we were told there's a bomb threat.
Patrick, you